What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Aviators. Well, it's been a soggy few days.
Ground, Skyhawk 5-3, 4 for Romeo.
And been stocked in with weather for like 3 days. Really kind of bad cabin fever. Anyways, so we're headed out today to Johnson Creek. Good Lord, I can't get a word in edgewise. It's like they're doing their job.
And Missoula ground, Skyhawk 5.
All right, here we go out of Missoula, and get the tower frequency up here, and I'll do my radio call. Missoula Tower, 2523 Yankees, ready to go at Alpha 1.
Skyhawk 252 is 3 Yankee, Missoula Tower, roger. Runway 30, clear for takeoff. Traffic ahead and to your right, conducting parachute operations over the northwest quadrant of the airfield is a Sherpa at or below 6,200 and remain south of centerline.
2523 Yankee, copy that. Clear to depart 30, and I'll remain south of the centerline. Thank you. We'll put 10 degrees of flaps in.
Jump 79er, traffic departing straight out is a Cessna.
Jump 79er looking. Alright, we got a 10,000 foot runway here, that's kind of cool. Johnson's Creek is not going to be that. And here we go. Okay, airspeed's alive. There's our takeoff roll. You like those short takeoffs on big runways.
Skies 4632, Missoula ground, push approved. Helicopter 109 at Mike Alpha, Missoula Tower. Helicopter 9 at Mike Alpha, your transmission kind of faded out, and proceed direct to the Minuteman maintenance ramp landing. Will be at your own risk. Understand you have X-ray?
Affirmative, have X-ray.
Sir, good afternoon, 92392, just coming up on Seahead on the approach.
As a 2392 Missoula Tower, report final runway 30.
Okay, we'll call you final, and we broke out for the most part at about 9,500.
As a 2392.
The weather's kind of crappy, so we're going to pick our way to Johnson Creek. Alright, we're climbing now. Almost 1,000 feet a minute. Alright guys, so we're trying to pick a way through these clouds to get over the Johnson Creek, and you know, if we can't get over there, we'll just turn back and land at Missoula. I think we're going to be okay, but you know, we're not going to take any risks, and you can see the cloud layers are pretty low, so we won't, you know, we'll just do everything we can do to be careful, but very scenic little flight here. I'm at 5,800 feet. Probably going to go right to the base.
Missoula Tower is Yankee now, currently altimeter 3015. Jump 79er, give me a couple more turns, sir. I can't approve that right now.
I'll give a couple turns.
Jump 79, I'll advise when you can do your cargo drop. Got 2 more departures.
Roger that. So, pretty scenic through here. Also one of those days where you want to be super, super careful. It's raining right now. Very lightly, but it's still coming down. And I'm maintaining 5,800. That seems to be where the ceiling is on some of the, or the bases on some of these clouds.
Clear 931 Echo Delta
Up here. We're right in the thick of the mountains here, and I'm climbing up to just the base of those clouds. I'll maintain VFR clearance with blue sky, but we'll see. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So this is what I love about this 796. I can, this terrain feature is going to guide me right through, you know, all this really steep stuff. Really kind of a cool piece of technology. I just love the 796. I can't say enough about it. And here is our route. We're going to fly down some valleys here and about an hour and a half to Johnson Creek. And weather's, I'd call it okay. If you weren't, you know, if you weren't comfortable flying around clouds, this probably wouldn't be a good trip for you, and comfortable flying in the mountains. But I tend to love it, so just beautiful out here. Yeah, you can see it out there. It's just low-hanging clouds and big hills don't rhyme. So we're gonna stay on our flight plan until it's you know, it doesn't look safe. And right now it looks really safe. So we're kind of continuing on, but coming out of the terrain again. And we'll be hanging a jaunt to the right there around these tall peaks. And kind of cool. Everything else is good. There's where we are in relation to our flight plan. We'll get that to, well, I can't get it to focus. Oh well. Well, it's raining again, and the see if I can get a good picture of it, but we may be a no-go here. I may have to turn around just based on the terrain's looking good. We're coming out of the mountain, the real mountainous part, but you know, our weather is just closing in. So trying to figure out maybe a place to divert. We'll see what we come up with. All right, another quick update. Flying by a rainstorm over there. We're clear out ahead of us. Getting some big raindrops on the windshield. Here's where we are relative to our flight plan. You can see I've diverted a little bit just to skirt around some weather. And I don't know if we're going to make it into Johnson Creek or not, but you know, we're going to have fun doing whatever we do, that's for sure.
Well, I made it about 110 miles from Missoula and landed because of weather. I think I'm about 40 miles from Johnson Creek, but the terrain gets really steep, so I'm gonna go see what's up here in this little town of Grangeville, Idaho. But I'll show you the weather. Yep, there it is. Low, dark clouds. Nice little RV4. It's an MD500. I love flying those. All right, guys. So we ended up in a small town called Grangeville, Idaho. Never heard of it. But when I was poking through those clouds, I needed to get on the ground quick. So Grangeville it is for the night, and then tomorrow I think, you know, I'll probably start picking my way back to Denver, and you know, it's been a howling good time. So anyways, you like this sort of thing, like, subscribe, comment. Till next time.